When I was at AWS, the general rule of thumb was that you'd get headcount at about half the rate that you grew your service. And that actually created a positive reinforcement loop, a feedback loop, where, the more you grew, the more customers you had, the more headcount you got to drive innovation. Now, the challenge with that is that job zero for any service at AWS is to keep the lights on, which is true for any of us, right? And so in some ways, you have to do a great job in keeping the lights on and reducing your costs year over year over year in order to get the resources to innovate. That's actually why I created Shoreline. And that's why I think what the opportunity is for executives who are looking at us, that it gives you the opportunity to spend your engineering dollars on innovation rather than keeping the lights on. The dirty secret of the cloud is that companies spend almost 3 times as much on the people to manage their cloud infrastructure as the cloud infrastructure itself. Now, that cannot last, right? We need to bend the curve. And automation is the way I found to do this. And it's the way that's done at every hyperscaler. What about the rest of us?